Chivhayo's ex-mother-in-law, Tabitha Matskanda, has been arrested together with his ex-wife, Sonja Matskanda. They are expected to appear in court on Wednesday. They are facing the following charges. Ex-wife Chivhayo, pamwechete na his ex-mother-in-law, they were arrested yesterday and they are to appear in court today. Sabina Mashugo anoshamisa pangwa inwe anawachiti there is more to be uncovered. Na uya wikino Chivhayo na ex-wife aizi ngorini nawo yemapicha chete kana nawo yemakumbanzishen chete ndobo subscribe like watombe bell icon tipinda mnawo mukremo shamdanyura chiti. Tabitha Matskanda, mother-in-law, number 1, fraud. She accused of attempting to withdraw $1.4 million from Chivhayo's Children Trust Fund by trying to remove him as a signatory, allegedly to buy land and build cluster houses. Number 2, unauthorized distribution of content linked to alleged sharing or circulation of material without permission. Number 3, undermining the authority of the president, alleged involvement in content or actions seen as damaging the president's authority. Number 4, digital manipulation or AI generated images under investigation, accused of using AI to fake images suggesting he met South African President Cyril Ramaphosa earlier than he did. Sonja Matskanda, ex-wife. Number 1, contempt of court possible charge, accused of breaching a high court order relating to access to the couple's 2 minor children. Number 2, unauthorized distribution of content, undermining authority of the president. No mashwambule tokopanapa ne crime watch. Awa ma charges arikufesiwa na ex-wife yake Sonja pamwe na ex-mother-in-law. Tuze mafungo eimori kudi pamusoro pe these developments asiyanyika yese panguva ine vanhu vachikushushikana nokushungurudzika kuti mareasons ari kumenchena wandechokwadi here kana kune zvimwe zviri behind the scenes panguva ine zviri kuonekwa kunzi maybe pamwe Chivhayo panokanganisa kwaakaita. Ndinakomesa kuchemberedzwa funguro eimori kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe, like, and turn the bell icon.